Hi, my name's Digby. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm going to show you how to stretch paper. Crucial in getting rid of those wrinkles when you're doing watercolour or ink and wash drawings. So what you're going to need is a board. The wood is really good for helping the tape stick to the wood and hold your paper down nice and firm. You need a clean sponge. That's not so clean, but ignore that. Some gum strip, some artist gum strip. You can see that this is shiny on one side where you can the sticky bit, and you'll need some water. So cut out your paper so it's smaller than the board, and then prepare 4 strips of gum tape. And you apply the water using the sponge to the shiny side. Then stick your paper, stick your gum strip along the edge and smooth it down with the sponge. So you should be able to see that that is sticking without any air bubbles to the board. You can see some of the wrinkles, but look, that will dry out beautifully smooth. And what will happen when you paint on it? It will wrinkle again, but if you leave it, it's dry out smooth and flat. Sometimes you have to repair the paper because the drying process means that the edges can rip, but this is easy to resolve with some new gum strip, wetting the areas and sticking the tape down. And as you can see, a beautiful, smooth, dry paper, all ready to use. Once you've finished and your picture is dried, cut it out using a metal ruler and a sharp craft blade. Always cut away from yourself. I hope you enjoyed learning how to stretch paper and watching me draw a praying mantis. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out at www.lifedrawingeast.co.uk.